Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Donna and today I'm gonna Hi guys, this is me. I'm going to show you how to cook an Alfredo pasta. We have here Alfredo pasta sauce and our pasta spaghetti. First off, you boil it in the water with some salt and oil. Cook it until it's tender. Let it boil from 10 to 15 minutes while you're checking if it's already cooked. And now we're going to prepare our shrimp, jumbo size shrimp, deveined and tail off. I am just doing a voiceover right now because I'm busy. My hands are tired. Just kidding. I'm busy and concentrating my cooking. And I hope you find this video well. And just like everyone else, they say, where you guys are watching from, let me know so that I would know where this video got far away or not. And it's already cooked. You strain the pasta and drain it well, and you might need to put it on cold water so it will not be cooked. In the same pan where I cook the pasta, you put the shrimp and wait until it's turning orange. The color will turn into orange. That's when you know it's cooking. Put some salt and some pepper to taste. We can see now that it's turning into orange color. That means it's cooking. Mix it and then put the white sauce or the Alfredo sauce. And I forgot to put the sausage in it, but then he wasn't included on the video, but there is sausages in there, shrimp, and some. Why are you so serious? No. She is really concentrating on that cooking, aren't you? Oh well, that is me. So now we're going to put the cooked pasta and mix it together. The plating is here. We're going to place the pasta on our dining plate. What are you smiling at? Okay, now here we go. See That's so delicious. Happy meal. Let's eat. Happy eating. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you on my next video.